At the AI for Good Summit in July, I'll close a talk with several design principles for AI that preserves human agency. Three of them translate the cognitive disruption argument into design choices a product team could implement directly. I'll walk through those three here. The first is disagreement by default. Most AI products deliver a single confident answer, and the interface collapses the space of possible responses into one, and the user either accepts or rejects. The alternative is to present competing answers and a case for each, so the user has to weigh positions before committing. The argument is that AI products should work this way by default, especially in domains where the answer matters. The second is commit before reveal, a short pause that asks the user to write down what they think before AI offers its own answer. The move looks trivial from the outside, but the cognitive science shows it is doing real work. Generating a tentative position activates the predictive machinery the user is supposed to be exercising. The AI's response then becomes a feedback against an existing prediction rather than a substitute for it. The third is calibrated uncertainty. AI systems currently sound roughly equally confident on every output, whether the answer is well-grounded or essentially fabricated. The research shows that when systems communicate uncertainty in calibrated terms, users verify the uncertain parts and accept the confident parts. Without that signal, users either accept everything or distrust everything. The current default hides what the model already knows about its own reliability. These three principles work together. Each one moves information from inside the system to the surface where the human can actually engage with it. Alternative answers, the user's own prediction, and the model's reliability. I'll be making the full case for all principles at the AI for Good Global Summit in Geneva this July. I'd like to hear what you're seeing on this. If you build or buy AI products, which of these three should be the hardest to introduce in your current interface?